the worldwide human population is increasing with an estimated 9.9 billion on the planet, and it is expected to increase till that figure by 2015. Now, food demand is projected to jump 35% to 56% in that time frame, right? Not to mention the also I would like to mention the climatic changes that make resources like water and farmable land quite scarcer. Now, fortunately, technology has provided a solution, which is AI in the agricultural industry, right? Because see, agriculture plays an important role in sustaining our society, right? And evolving agricultural practice is essential to support the rapidly increasing population that we have all through the world. So, to improve the agricultural industry and the ever growing food demands, we have certain ways in which AI is absolutely transforming agriculture. Well, if you want to find all those different pointers, stay tuned for the videos ahead. And before that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so that you would learn the 4 ways in which AI is absolutely revolutionizing this particular industry. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Afreen Rahman, and in today's episode, I'm going to talk about ways in which AI is transforming agriculture, right? So let's start with the topic. Now, number one point is it analyzes the soil condition, and it guides plantation. Now, before planting a new crop, analyzing the condition of the soil is vital for deciding on the next crop and its success. Now, this is a very, very complicated process. Furthermore, it requires checking the condition of the soil, the temperature, the humidity in the climate, and failing to take note of this can lead to a severe loss of crops for farmers. And here is where AI comes into the picture, because in many, many countries, farmers are adopting different digital solutions, such as AI, and it helps in analyzing data that comes from various remote sensors regarding the soil nature, the temperature data, the previous crop data, etc., right? And based on that, the AI algorithm, it does based, the predictive tools that are there, the AI algorithm based predictive tools, they can study this data and they can suggest solutions to make informed decisions by the farmers, right? It lets you know about the nature of the land, the soil fertility, the type of crop that needs to be sown in that particular soil. That will help farmer in achieving maximum harvest, right? The benefit number 2, it provides predictive maintenance of the crop. Now, drones powered by AI capabilities can assist farmers to improve their crop yield and decrease capital cost, right? So pre-trained drones can capture plant images, and they then use AI algorithms to analyze, the plants, the pests, the dead diseases. So hence accordingly, they also recommend solutions. So these same drones can even find weeds. Now, moreover, it can predict their impacts on the overall harvest productivity, as well as spray pesticides and fertilizers to the respective affected areas of the plant in the overall crop, right? Interesting. Third, now this is something that is really, really helpful for the farmers, right? It reduces labor costs. So the conventional practice of crop maintenance, it requires, high costing. It is a high, costing process. It is a very, very laborious task if it needs to be completed manually. Now, this process is also, quite prone to error. Now, but with advanced analytics and AI-driven computer vision technology, this conventional practice has become a lot easier for the farmer. Nonetheless, it can also reduce the cost of labor. Now, the same technology can be used in harvesting too. So for instance, if a farmer has acres of crops of apples, let's say, right, and they're ready to be harvested, now deploying a robotic arm with computer vision technology to recognize and, plucking of the fruit is significantly faster than the manual picking. So this enhances production speed and it helps decrease your labor cost. Point number 4, insect and plant disease detection. Now, using image recognition technology based on deep learning, we can now automate the detection of pest and plant diseases. This is a nightmare for most of the farmers. This operates using an image classification, detection, and image segmentation approach to build models that can keep an eye on your plant health, right? Now, to conclude it all, AI in the agriculture industry, it solves the scarcity of resources and labor to a large extent. Moreover, it will be a powerful tool that can assist organizations, to cope with the growing amount of complexity in modern agriculture. So it is high time that big companies invest in this arena. I hope you found this video to be informative. If you have any ideas, any more pointers that you need to add, do let us know in the comment section what you felt, any more added pointers. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye bye.